Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all my brothers and sisters. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'in. Ya Fattah, Rabbi zidni ilma. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الذين يظنون أنهم ملاقو ربهم وأنهم إليه راجعون. Okay, الذين يظنون, you have to do gunna here, noon mushaddad, so you have to do gunna here. Anna, you have to do gunna as well. Noon, wow silent, before that there is a madda, and this is wow madda, you have to stretch it according to one alif. Annahum, you have to do gunna here, noon mushaddad. Hum mulaqu. If this is a rule of idgham, when there is meme is silent, and after that another meme appears. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna incorporate this meme into the other one and do gunna. Hum mulaqu. This is called idgham. This is wow lam, you have to stretch it according to one alif. See, mulaqu, you have to stretch it. This is also wow madda, wow silent, before that there is a mad, there's a zamma, so we're going to stretch it according to one alif. Rabbihim, ra, you have to read it thicker. Rabbihim. Wa anna, noon mushaddad, you have to do gunna here. Wa annahum ilayhi. Now look, this is also meme silent. Before that there was meme silent, and after that there was another meme. So we merged the meme, we incorporated the meme with another meme, and we did gunna. But here we are not going to do gunna. This is izhar, as any of the haruf comes after meme silent. Any of the other haruf besides meme or ba. Any of the other haruf, if comes after meme silent, what are we going to do is we're going to do izhar. We're going to read it very clearly. No gunna, no ikhfa. وَأَنَّهُمْ إِلَيْهِ راجعون. Okay, ra, you have to stretch it because there is a standing fatha. Okay, and ayn, wow silent, before that there is a zamma, so you have to stretch it again, as it is wow madda. Raji'un. Okay, so this ayah is getting finished here, so we have to, whenever the ayah is getting finished, as we know that we have to silent the last word. Raji'un. And if we connect the other ayah with this, so what are we going to do is we're going to read raji'una. Okay, ya bani. Raji'un, when we stop. Okay, alladhina, and those who yadhunnuna, think, or they have a thought that annahum, that they, whom goes to those people who has this thought, who believes, or who has this that certain thoughts in their mind, annahum mulaqu rabbihim, that they will meet Rabbihim, their Lord, wa annahum, and wow everywhere in the Quran means and, raji'un, that they will return to him. Alladhina yadhunnuna, and those people who have that certain thought in their mind that they will return to their Lord and they will meet their Lord. Meet, mulaqu, meet, and raji'un, they will return to their Lord. Inshallah, the explanation of this ayah will be in the next video, inshallah. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.